This is a 2010 Audi A4, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a turbocharger, a locking rear differential, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, heated washer fluid, alloy wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, fog lamps, front and rear floor mats, halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Audi has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.